Hello guys, my name is Ashutosh Kumar. This is our first science exhibition model. Our topic name is hydraulic city. Now let's see how it's work. 3. This is our first topic. Topic name is hydraulic gate. Now we have to see this is working or not. Here we can see this is working very perfectly. After applying pressure on it, it again come back in its first position. And our second topic is hydraulic stand. Now we have to see it is working or not. Here we can see it also working very well. It can also use for pulling down anything like truck, for servicing, for garaging, cars, anything else. And our third topic. Now let's see it is working or not. It is earthquake resist home. It resists us from earthquake. It works as a shocker and slow down the earthquake pressure. After reaching the earthquake, the house becomes up. And our fourth topic is hydraulic truck dumper. Now let's see it is working or not. Here we can see it is pulling above. It is for pulling down any waste material. Here the materials are pulling down. Now after applying pressure, it again come back in its current position. And our fifth topic is hydraulic bridge. Now let's see it is working or not. Here we can see it is also working after applying pressure on it. And after releasing pressure, it again come back in its original position. The breeze is coming slowly, but at last it comes in its first position. Now our sixth topic is hydraulic crane. It is also known as hydraulic arm. Now we have to see this is working or not. Here we can see it pull down, means it is working. Now we have to catch anything for pulling above. Now we have to pulling above. Now chance to deliver the material where we want. Now our seventh topic is hydraulic magnetic crane. Now let's see it also works or not. It also works by applying pressure on it. Here we can see it is working. Now it putting the materials. And our eighth topic is hydraulic lift. Now we have to see this is working or not. Here we can see the lift is going above. Now it also come back in its original position. And our ninth topic is again hydraulic gate. Now you have to see it is working or not. We can also use wastewater. It is not required to only use clean water. It works wastage water also. This is our full model. Now we have to see after lightning how it is looking. Start. Here we can see after lightning how it is looking. It looks really very nicely. So guys, you can also try it. So guys, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.